What's going on with the truckers? So there are a lot of truck drivers that are definitely stuck in the midst of this, and you gotta park at the truck stops if you can, because what's going on is subscribers are telling me right now the whole Snoqualmie Pass is completely closed on the I-90. So I'm going to show you this map here so that you can see that it's due to extreme avalanche danger. So just know that it's completely shut down. Mother truckers, comment down below. Let me know if you're stuck in this right now. There's some options of truck stops, but on both sides for miles, it's closed. So just remember that, and I hope that it clears up soon. I'll update you guys when I get the information. Truck drivers, if you have more updates, email me at theasiamyshow@gmail.com. I appreciate the subscribers for letting me know that this is going on to help other truck drivers.